guys, welcome back to the channel. Hope you guys are having a great and lovely day. It's been a while. I think it's been like about a month since I last uploaded. Last video I uploaded was coil packs, but today we're gonna be working on the exterior part. We're gonna be working on the Mustang, which you guys should already know what we're gonna be doing today, but let me go ahead and show you guys. And bam, these actually came off a 2014 Mustang GT, which I actually bought this mirror off of eBay. And then for the mirrors, I did get the ones with the little blind spot mirror, and you can see both of them have it. As far as installing, I do have these drill bits that are meant for steel, and you guys can see right here, only because we got to drill into the car to make the new holes. I got some cover up paint that I'm gonna be using just so that the holes that we drill don't get rusted. We also need some tools, but I'll show you guys what it is you need once we're outside. So let's get it. All right guys, now that we're out here, here is a view of my mirror as of right now. This is the original one from factory. You guys can see the plastic is pretty faded for the most part. Well, really faded. And I don't know what happened here. For this, it's pretty simple. All you have to do is literally pull back on here, just like so, and it comes right off. So you unclip this, and then you unscrew these screws right here. I believe it's a 11 you need. Let me see. Yep, 11 millimeter socket that you need. But then these, since you got the door panel on the way, either you got two choices. You could either remove the door panel, or you could use a ratchet like I am. The only thing with the ratchet is that it's annoying since you barely got any space. So now that you have removed your mirrors, all you have to do is literally just pull them out, and they come right out. So there's the old mirror, you guys can see. I'm gonna go ahead and just wipe this area down just to clean it up a bit, and then we'll get to it. You do want to make sure you cut the plastic tabs off. So we look over at this mirror, we still have the plastic tabs on. I'm talking about these right here. And over on this one, I actually cut them off. So you want to cut them off. The easiest way will be to use a Dremel. That's how you say it? I don't know, but that would be the easiest way. If you don't have that, you could do use a small handsaw. All right, once you're here, it's pretty straightforward. You just want to line up the sensor part with the hole, and you can see where the studs actually kind of chip the paint right there and right there. So that's what I'm gonna use to indicate where I have to drill. I'm just gonna test fit it a couple times, see how it fits. I think it's gonna be a 5.5 or a 6. I'm just gonna get it and kind of put it on top of a stud and see which one fits it best. So here we have the aftermath. So what I did was for the driver's side, we had to drill a hole right here, so just a little bit above and to the right from the original hole. The right side right here in the bottom, we just had to move the hole a little bit up, and then we had to just make this little notch over here just so that the sensor could fit through without no problem. But if I bring the mirror and I line it up, literally perfect. Look at that, perfect fit, man. Come over on the inside, this is how it looks. You guys can see we have the stud coming through perfectly through the top right there, the bottom and the sides. Where the sensors is, what I was talking about, that little plastic piece right there has to come through, or has to have a notch to come through. Right now I'm going to go ahead and put some touch-up paint on that and let it dry. All right guys, so this is how it looks. Paint right here to cover up the metal, since we did drill into bare metal. I use that to cover it up just so we don't get any rust. Now let's go ahead and install the mirror itself. So here is the finished result for the driver's side. As you guys can see, it looks so much better, man. Look at that. Oh man, a side shot right there. Little comparison for how the stock ones look. Yeah, nobody got time for that. That's how it looks. So now we're gonna move over to the passenger side. For this one, same thing. Trim removes the exact same way, and we got the same concept. You want to unplug this, and you want to remove these screws. So here we have the passenger side. Right now I'm gonna go ahead and put some of this paint over it and let it dry. Then I'm gonna go ahead and install the mirror back on, and I'll show you guys how it looks all together. All right guys, so here we have, this is how it looks from this angle, you guys can see. Then if we come over on the back side, this is how it looks from this angle. And here are the fit, man. You guys can see, I don't know how I got it right on the money spot. Same with this side, you guys can see money spot. Sometime down the line, I do want to change this seal right here just because it's already faded. Same with the bottom right here. Everything, like these plastic trims, fit back on perfectly, no problem. The motor actually works as well. Same with that side, fit perfectly. Motor works as well, like to control it and whatnot, to move the camera. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and end the video here. I'm kind of in an awkward position because I have the sun hitting me right in the face. But yeah, like I said, I'm gonna go ahead and end the video here. If you guys enjoyed the video, do me a favor and hit the like button on it, and also subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Also, for those of you guys that have subscribed already, I want to give you guys a great thank you and appreciation to every single one of you guys for helping me get to 600. Well, 622 as of right now. But other than that, like I said, thank you guys for subscribing. And if you haven't already, please do me a favor and hit the subscribe button. I would really appreciate it. And with that being said, I hope you guys have a great day, and I'll catch you later. Peace.